What's up, everyone? This is Buy Your Ride in Simi Valley. Today we're taking a look at a pre-owned 2022 Toyota Tacoma TRD Off-Road. This 2022 Toyota Tacoma is perfect for your work duties while also being fantastic for all of your off-roading needs. With the TRD Premium Offroad Package, including an off-road tuned suspension with Bilstein shocks and a powerful 3.5-liter V6 engine with four-wheel drive, this vehicle will get you in and out of where you need and want to go. Packed with features including the Toyota Safety Sense pre-collision system, an 8-inch touchscreen entertainment system with 6 JBL speakers and a subwoofer and amp, along with a leather-trimmed interior with heated front seats, QI wireless charging to keep you comfortable and charged up, even on the longest adventures. Stop by today and test drive this brand new 2022 Toyota Tacoma. Call, direct message us, or visit our website for pricing and more details. Again, this is Buy Your Ride in Simi Valley, and you just took a look at a pre-owned 2022 Toyota Tacoma.